Here we have our hot water tank, and there's a lot going on here. Nothing's really supported very good. We got the supply line right here coming up from the floor. We are going to leave these in here, even though I don't think that's correct. But first thing, I'm going to take all this out, and we're going to start from scratch. Now, we might have some water left in the lines. So be careful with that. This is the one where we may have some water. Alright, good. So I'll continue to disconnect all this. Alright, so after I get this all disconnected, then we'll start our PEX installation and hook up our hot water tank. At this point, we've taken everything out, and we're going to start from scratch. We're going to leave these 1/2 inch pipes in, but we're going to increase them to 3/4 inch. So we got our fittings in there, 1/2 to 3/4 PEX fitting. And if we ever replace this, of course we will change this to 3/4, basically what it should be. So at this point, I'm just going to start mounting my system here. And I have our hot and cold main lines, so we need to hook these up to these. So I'm going to start working on that, and I'll get back in touch with you here. And I made a valve for our outside hose bib, so we'll hook that up. So first I'm going to start mounting all this. When you're doing PEX tubing, it's pretty much just going like a little system. And you're just kind of eyeing things up how you want them. You don't have to worry about mistakes or things not working out. Just want to eye up what side you need. Even if you get it close, that's good enough. Okay, our system's starting to come together. So I'm going to work on the hot water, and we're going to put a valve in here. Alright, here's our installation. Everything looks so much better. We got our lines coming in, and it's just a process of cutting pipe, guessing how much you need, and then getting your final measurement and putting it all together. Fittings are so important. You have to have enough. You have to have a lot of fittings, because that'll waste a lot of your time driving to your home center to get fittings. I like to use these ball valves on your hot water tanks, because when you got to change this out, you shut these off, you cut your PEX, you put your new tank in, no soldering, makes it real quick and easy to do. So the only thing I got left to do is all my cinch clamps, my pinch clamps, is pinch them. And this will be all completed. But you can just see how we did it. Same as if you knew a copper system. You know, fittings, elbows, keeping away from your flow, Now I believe from here up you need so much, say 18 inches of copper. Now that wasn't done here. These were already existing in there, but if anyone, I see no problems with that. There's no issues here. I'm not sure why they want that, but I kind of left these in and went from there. Yeah, I put 2 valves on. So when we change it out, you shut them off, pull it out, put it in. Now this is an issue, because usually you put 1 valve in on the cold. If that's something that is a code or you can't do it, let me know, because I'm not quite sure about that. But there you have our PEX tubing, and we hooked up our hot water tank. And let me show you quick everything we tore out. Here's everything that we tore out. All them stab fittings. Which I think those are pretty expensive. But you can use those to get them together if you want, because you can actually attach copper and PEX together. And we had a compression fitting there. Valve. So, there's our final hookup on our PEX. And we got rid of that galvanized line that was hooked up and all this mayhem on the floor.